Hi, in this video I would show how to count cells in image J, and possibly this is the best method that I could ever find. So I would open an image and first apply a lookup table, and I would apply this fire lookup table because it gives me a good visual. It highlights also uh, the dark pixels such that I can see all of the cells. So now my objective is to find how many cells are there. Now if I didn't took a particular plane to count the cells, instead I took a stack. Now the reason being, simply all these cells are not in a plane. So in some cases like cell culture, the cells are like a monolayer on a plate. So in that situation, taking one plane would help. But when you are imaging a whole mount or a tissue which has a thickness, then cells could be arranged in several planes. So in that situation, taking a single plane won't help. So that's why I would count the whole stack. See, in this 3D projection, the cells are actually distributed in several planes. So taking a stack and counting throughout the stack could be a good strategy. Now, since the cells are clustered here, I would draw a ROI around it and reposition my ROI, and I would simply crop this area for simplicity. Now I would count how many cells are there in this particular section. So in order to do that, I would open my cell counter, and the cell counter plugin comes along with images, so you don't have to download it or anything. So you can directly go to plugin, analyze, and cell counter. So once you click on that, a menu would appear like this. So whatever image you have to initialize that image in this counter. So first select the image and initialize. So once you initialize, the image would be there and you're seeing just the uppermost stack. That's why. Okay. So after that, what we are going to do is we are going to count a particular cell type. So here I have only one type of cell, so I would just select type 1, and there are options to select colors. So I would mark everything in red. Okay, so then what I would do, so let's say it's my whole stack, I would go from each plane and count all the cells. Now importantly, you have to click on this show all option on the right side bottom corner. So in this show all, when you press show all, then once we count, it would show that counted mark in throughout all the planes. So in the topmost plane, I have nothing to count because the cells are not visible. So I would go to a stack where I get a visual of the cells, a clear visual of the cells. For example, in this stack. So in this stack, I would clearly count it as 1, I would count it as 2, and then I cannot count in anymore. So you can see, so maybe I have to change the LUT to show you that it shows the counting. So whenever I go to the plane and select these cells, it would show a filled dot. Now when I go a plane below that, it would show a blank dot. So then I would go again lower and I would mark these two cells, and it is automatically counting here how many cells I have counted, and I would count again, and in this way I would keep on counting. I would keep on counting till I finish all of my counting. So I would keep on counting all the cells throughout the Z stack. You can see this cell was pretty not in same plane with this cell, so I have to count it right here. For example, this cell. If I go down again, this cell appeared, but it was not there in previous planes. So it was in a pretty deep plane, so I counted. then I go down, and I don't see any more cells. So these are my total number of cells. You can see I've counted almost all the cells with accuracy, and here you see there are total 18 cells, and I can get a result. So they have shown that how many cells I have counted. So we can just save this number or save the result. Once another good thing is, so we can save the markers. So we can save the markers such that whenever we want to load it, we can load the image and then load the markers. That ensures that if I have a counting mistake, any other person when counts can see which cell I have missed or anything like that. That's why I like this feature of ImageJ a lot. So hope this video was helpful. If you like my video, give it a quick thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.